Let us see the in-text questions. In NCERT question, I'm combining and explaining you with the concept and the question. Few questions I'm explaining. At last, I'll give you all the solution of a solved question, an in-text question, and a textbook questions. All together, I'll give you at last. So, which of the 3D series of transition metals exhibits the largest number of oxidation state and why? So we know that manganese has the largest number of oxidation state in 3D series because of it has a maximum number of unpaired electrons. For example, manganese, that is maximum 3D5, they are asking 3D series. So what manganese? So 3D5, 4s2 is the electronic configuration of manganese. Next up, it has +2 to +7 because gradually loses 1 electron, it becomes, 2 electrons, it has become +2. And then 3 electrons, it becomes +3. 4 electron, it becomes +4. 5 electron becomes +5. 6 electron becomes +6. 7 electrons becomes +7. Because 3D5 has 5 unpaired electron. 5 electrons in D. So 2 electron loses, it becomes +2. 1 electron +2 electron. 3 electrons loses, it becomes +3. Then 4 electron becomes +4. 5 electron becomes +5. 6 electron becomes +6. 7 electrons, all the 7 electrons becomes +7. So maximum is +7 only. So we cannot expand this +7. Then why is highest oxidation state of metal exhibited in oxides or fluorides? Why? Highest oxidation states are exhibited in metals because of oxide and fluoride. We know halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine as a best oxidizing agent, maximum oxidizing agent, gradually decreasing the oxidizing agent. So iodine and is a maximum reducing agent. So it is gradually decreases to fluorine. So reducing agent from iodine to fluorine, it is decreases. Oxidizing agent from fluorine to iodine, it is decreases. So maximum oxidizing agent is fluorine, maximum reducing agent is iodine. Then we should come across the electronegativity value for fluorine 4.0, for chlorine 3.0, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5. So when you come across lithium 1.0, beryllium 1.5, boron 2.0, and carbon 2.5, nitrogen 3.0, oxygen 3.5, fluorine is 4.0. So oxygen is 3.5, fluorine is a 4.0. So oxygen and fluorine is a small size, and we should consider both are small size and high electronegativity value because oxygen is 3.5. Next higher value is fluorine 4.0. When you compare this in top of 17th group, 7A is a fluorine as a 4.0 maximum electronegativity value in the oxidation, in the periodic table, and the very least one is cesium and the francium. Cesium and francium has a 0.7 electronegativity value. So what maximum is 4.0 for fluorine and very least one is francium in the periodic table. So okay, let us consider this oxygen and fluorine. Oxygen has a next to 4.0 is 3.5 for oxygen. Only is the maximum. So what they can easily oxidize the metal to higher oxidation states. So it oxidizing agent easily oxidize the other elements. So oxides of higher oxidation state metal is acidic. Oxides of lower oxidation state of metal is basic. And oxides of intermediate oxidation state of the metal is amphoteric. So higher oxidation state are acidic, lower oxidation state are basic. Already I told you, lower oxidation states are ionic, higher oxidation states are covalent. Compare this. So oxidation state increases. I said oxidation state increases, ionic character decreases, and basic character also decreases. So just now I said higher oxidation state. Lower oxidation state alone will have a higher basic character. If it is higher oxidation state, basic character decreases. Then covalent character increase. Higher oxidation state, covalent character increases, and higher oxidation state, acidic character increases. Higher oxidation state, acidic character increases. So please follow this one. And lower oxidation state will give basic character and ionic character. And higher oxidation states are related to high covalent character and acidic nature. So textbook exercises, one more question, NCERT. To what extent to the electronic configuration decide the stability of oxidation state in first series of the transition elements? Illustrate your answer with the example. So transition series are off-filled and fully filled d orbitals are more stable. For example, manganese, like 25, atomic number is 25, so argon is 18. So 18 means we should write it, the last one 3d5 and 4s2. So it shows +2 to +7, but manganese 2 is most stable than that. Why it is the most stable? +2 oxidation state is most stable because 3d5 is off-filled. After losing 2 electron in s orbital, it becomes a 3d5. So 3d5 is off-filled electronic configuration. So similarly, zinc is equal to 30. It is atomic number is 30. It is 3d10 and 4s2 completely filled. Exhibit a stable electronic configuration +2 and +2 oxidation status more stable. Here it is completely, after losing 2 electron becomes a 3d10. Its off-filled is highly stable. So this is what they are explaining, in what extent electronic configuration decide the stability of oxidation state. So it decides only off-filled configuration and completely filled configuration. Off-filled and completely filled configurations are more stable than the incompletely filled orbitals.